Hi, my name is Daria and I'm the owner of the Lice Clinic in Seattle. And today we would like to show you a very effective way on doing head check for head lice. This is our technician Melissa, and she will show you the tools that you will need and the steps that you will need to take. So I'm gonna let you take from here.
Okay. She is our model today, so she does not have lice, but we're going to show you how to do it.
Yes.
So if you suspect anything in your child's hair or anybody in your family, yes, this is an effective way to check and make sure if you have lice or not. So the first thing is to start off with the right tools. You do need a comb or brush for detangling. You also need a really good lice comb. This is the Knit Terminator comb, the best on the market. You can find it on Amazon for around $15. And one or more hair clips to keep the hair pulled back as we systematically go through the hair to check. You will also need some hair conditioner to work through the hair to help with the detangling and the lice combing. If you have a spray bottle, you can just take conditioner and water it down about 50-50 and use that. If you don't have a spray bottle, you can simply take some hair conditioner and massage it through the hair after the hair is wet, and that will work just fine as well. Right. If you have a towel at home, you can put that around the shoulders to prevent the lotions from going everywhere. And then you are just working the conditioner through the hair around the whole head, making sure you don't spray their face while you do it. If it's really thick, just trying to get in the middle parts as well. But initially, we're just going to do an overall combing. So for the detangling, we're working through the hair and getting all the tangles out. Different hair textures and lengths will obviously have different levels of tangles. If it's not as easy as this to work through and detangle, then you can simply section the hair off and do sections at a time. Sometimes it's helpful to work from the bottom on up and just making sure every section is detangled, because you will not be able to work the lice comb through the hair easily if you don't detangle the hair. And your children might not like that. So it's very important to get all the tangles out. So once you have done that all around the head, then you are ready to begin with the lice comb. So you want to take it, we can start at the crown of the head here and just moving the comb along the scalp. You definitely want to feel the comb going along the scalp. Nits are laid fairly close to the head, within an inch, sometimes within a quarter of an inch. So getting the comb underneath is the most effective way to pull the nits out. You can do several combings before taking it and wiping it on a piece of paper towel or tissue and checking to see if you find any eggs or live bugs. Nits are the eggs and live bugs are called lice, and both are brown in color. The nits are going to look like tiny sesame seeds that are light brown, and lice can range from that very tiny size to about the size of a small piece of rice. That's what the adult lice look like. And so you're working through around the hairline, definitely going even up the back, and can comb in an upward direction. And you're trying to do an overall combing at first to see if you find any nits or live bugs. If so, then you know you need to do treatment. If you haven't found anything yet, then what we're going to do is more of a systematic combing to see if there's any that are hidden. If a bug just recently came on a head, they are just starting to lay eggs, it can be like finding a needle in a haystack. So doing a systematic, sectioned off combing is necessary. So a couple inches for each section is fine. Spray with a conditioner, work it through the hair. You want to slightly scrape the scalp and then comb in a downward direction, overlapping a little bit each time as you go. Check your comb. Still nothing. It's important to comb in different directions as the nits get glued onto the hair on different angles of the hair shaft. So you can comb to the left, to the right, upward and downward. Checking for either one. And you are just going through the hair, working in sections until you find something. Section off, clip the hair, use the conditioner, and same thing, scraping and combing along the scalp and in different directions. Okay, so you're working up through the head.
No lice.
And checking each section to see if you find any eggs or lice. If the hair is short, then you can, and it's too short to section off, then you're simply combing in different directions for a good while. You can try to go in sections with your comb, but you're doing an overall combing in different directions to check. So
Very good.
that's an effective way to check for
And
lice.
it feels
at
really
home.
good too.
Yes,
Combing
yes.
the hair.
Simple.
Yeah, hopefully the video was helpful. If you guys have any questions, you can reach us at theliceclinic.net. And
Good luck.
yeah, good luck.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.